Paano nga ba mag-graph ng linear equation gamit ang any 2 points? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Narito ako para tulungan ka, natulungan ang sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please wag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga latest videos natin dito sa ating channel. And don't also forget to share this to your friends, to your classmates, ate, kuya, tita or tito, mama or papa, na kailangan din ng ganitong mga lessons. Alright? And without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to discuss about graphing linear equation using any 2 points. Alright, so we're done graphing actually. Ito na yung pinaka-last natin na topic about graph. So, we've discussed about, diba, paano mag-graph kapag table of values, paano mag-graph kapag x and y-intercept or intercept method, paano mag-graph using the slope and y-intercept, and also we did the graphing ng vertical sa horizontal line, and we touched as well yung mga inequalities. Systems of linear inequalities, systems of linear equations, tapos linear inequalities. Lahat yun ay about sa graph. So, ito yung pinakahuli. Actually, ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat. Alright? So, graphing linear equation using any 2 points. If you want to watch that, so just visit my channel. Nandun naman lahat nung lessons natin. So, those are included in our first quarter lessons. Okay? So, let me proceed now to our given. So, proceed na tayo sa graph. Graph the following using any 2 points. Alright. So, ito kasi talaga yung pinakamadali sa lahat. Kasi given ka na ng points. You don't have to solve anything. Ang kailangan mo lang na skill dito is, of course, kailangan master mo kung paano mag-plot ng mga points. Yun lang. Okay? Paano ito i-plot? Ito din. This one. Alright. Kasi yung 2 points, it could determine a line already. So kapag may 2 points ka na, connect mo lang yun. Tapos, don't forget to label the points. Then, yun na yung magiging graph natin. Alright? So, since we don't have any more computations for this, pupunta na tayo sa aking graphing paper para ipakita sa inyo paano ito i-graph. Okay? Alright, so let's answer our first example. So, ang given sa atin na points are 2, 3, and negative 4, 5. Right? So, ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat ng graphing. Sa lahat ng pag-graph of linear equation kasi automatic na ibinigay sa atin yung 2 points and then after that, i-connect mo lang, name the points, then tapos ang usapan. Okay? So, sir, how is that happen? Sige nga po, paano po yan ginagawa? Ganito lang. 2, 3. So, syempre, dapat yung practice natin ng pag-graph or pagpa-plot ng points ay dapat master na natin. Dapat you know already how to plot the points. Saan mahanap yung mga ganitong klase ng ordered pairs. So, let's have 2, 3. Alright, so di ba ang ordered pair, meron yung x-coordinate tapos may y-coordinate. And the first number appeared on that pair is the x-coordinate. Ibig sabihin yung horizontal. You're going to look for that number sa horizontal. That's for the x. And then the number after that, yung 3 naman, sa y mo siya hanapin. Okay? So, let's do this one. 2, 3. Nasan ba yung x? That is 2. So, ito yung x horizontal. So, hanapin mo lang yung positive 2. Andito siya. Nasa right. Okay? Then, hanapin mo rin yung 3 sa y-axis naman. Okay? So, since this one is the number, second number, siya yung nasa y-axis. So, hindi ko bibitawan yung 2 para makita ninyo. Andito naman yung y. Kaso, 3 ang hinahanap natin. So, nasa taas yan kasi positive. Here's 3 dito sa y-axis. Ayan. Then after that, meron tayong 2 and 3 dito sa ordered pair. Saan magtatapat yung dalawa? So, diretso ka lang, diretso, diretso, diretso. Dito yung point ng ating 2, 3. Okay? So, ang paglulocate ng point or pagpa-plot ng point is that hanapin mo lang yung tapat nung 2 sa kanong 3, 2 sa x, 3 sa y. Okay? And that is our first point. Don't forget to label the point. That is 2, 3. So, yung label dapat malapit lang din sa point na ipinlot natin. Alright? And that's it. We're done with the first point. Next, ito naman. Again, sige nga, identify mo muna which one is x, which one is y. You should know which is which. Kasi kapag dito pa lang fail ka na, or hindi natin alam kung paano mag-identify ng x and y, mamamali ka agad. Kasi ordered pair ito. Ordered pair yan. Kaya nga sinabing ordered. May proper order talaga siya. Hindi pwedeng mabaliktad ang x and y. Kaya dapat dito pa lang alam mo na si x, alam mo na si y. This is x and this is y. Parang sa alphabet lang, anong mauuna? X, di ba? Followed by y. So therefore, x ito, followed by y. Ganyan na lang. Ganyan mo na lang siya isipin para hindi ka mawawala. Alright? So alphabet na lang, x and y. X, y, z. Di ba? So x muna, followed by y. X is the one horizontal orientation. Tapos y naman is the vertical orientation. Okay? Next, negative 4. Nasaan ba yan? So since ito yung x, nandun siya sa may left side. This one is negative 4 sa x-axis. Whereas 5, positive 5 ito sa y-axis naman, yung vertical axis natin. So, since positive 5 sa taas, okay? So, tapat nung 5, tapos tapat nung 4, wait lang, ito. Right? So, be careful. Kailangan magkatapat talaga yan. So, kapag diniretso ko ito, gamit ako ng ruler. Diniretso ko yan, tapat siya ng 4. Diniretso ko rin ito, tapat siya ng 5. So, dapat magkatapat yung dalawa. And then, may nakalimutan tayo, which is that. That is negative 4, 5, or yung label. Okay? So, don't forget to always label the points. Okay? Tapos, after that, eto na, napakasimple ng gagawin natin. I-connect mo lang yung dalawa. Then, tapos ang usapan. Okay? So, after you connect that, just put an arrowhead to both ends. Kasi ganyan talaga ang line. Dapat it is extending to both directions. Okay? Ayan. So, that's the graph for our example number 1. Alright. So, let's have example number 2. So, sa example number 2, we're also given with 2 points or 2 ordered pairs, which are negative 3, negative 2, 2, negative 3. Ayan. So, ito munang una. Itong unang ordered pair ang hanapin natin. Okay? So, negative 3, negative 2 first. X muna, which is negative 3. Andito siya. Horizontal, negative 3. Okay? Then, negative 2 naman sa y-axis. Ito yung y. Hanapin mo lang yung negative 2 sa vertical na yan. Andito siya. So, tapat dapat ng negative 3. Tapat ng negative 2. Andito. Okay? So, yung point ay mahanap sa tapat ng negative 3 sa x, tapos sa tapat ng negative 2 sa y. Okay, and don't forget to label the points. This is negative 3, negative 2. Ayan, so we are done with the first ordered pair. Next, 2, negative 3. Hanapin natin muna si x. Yun ay 2. Andito siya. Then, negative 3. Negative 3 sa y. Andito naman siya. Okay, ito yung y. Ito yung negative 3. So, tapat nung dalawa, dito sila magmi-meet. Dito yung point na pinapahanap sa atin. Okay? So, label the point. This is 2, negative 3. Ayan. So, those are the 2 points na given sa atin for example number 2. Then, kapag tapos ka na dyan, napakadali. Gamit ka ng ruler or any straight edge dyan sa bahay ninyo para makonect natin yung dalawang points. Okay. So, extend mo lang, ilagpas mo dun sa points. Tapos, lagay ka ng arrowhead sa magkabilang dulo. Ayan. So, that's it. That's the graph for number 2. Okay, so let's graph naman our third example. We have 6, 4 and negative 5, 4. So, first point muna tayo, 6, 4. So, since 6 is the x coordinate, so sa x mo rin siya hanapin. Okay? Again, tandaan, ilagay ko xy, xy. So, x ang nauuna followed by y. Alright? So, x muna. That is 6. Tapos, ang y is 4. So, andito naman yung y. Sa vertical axis. Andito siya. So, tapat nung 4 sa kanong 6, diretso ka. Dapat tumapat din sa 6. This is our point. Again, tapat nung 6, tapat din ng mismong 4 ang hahanapin natin. So, 6 sa x, 4 sa y. And, don't forget the label. That is 6, 4. So, yung label din, be careful. Baka kasi hindi ka na tumingin dito, nagkabaliktad ka. Iba ang ibig sabihin ng 4, 6 sa 6, 4. Okay? Kaya nga siya ordered pair. I'll repeat, kaya siya ordered pair kasi it matters. Kung anong mauuna, kailangan dyan talaga siya makikita. Kung ano yung pangalawa, dapat dyan din talaga siya makikita. Okay? So, ang 6, 4 at 4, 6 ay magkaibang bagay. Magkaibang point yan. Alright? So, sana clear tayo doon. Next, let's have our second point. Negative 5, 4. So, negative 5 muna sa x. Andito siya. Then, 4 naman sa y-axis. Andito siya. So, negative 5, diretso ka lang. Negative 4, diretso ka lang din. Andito. So, here is our second point. So, ayan. So, label natin ng negative 5, 4. Tignan mo lang ito. So, yun din yung label niyan. Okay? Tapos, if you have those 2 points, connect mo lang, extend the lines, put arrowhead, then tapos ang usapan. Alright? Ayan. So, that's it. So, anong napansin nyo? What did you observe? Sir, yung line ay straight na pahiga, straight na horizontal. Very good. Alright. So, malalaman mo na straight na horizontal yan kapag pareho sila ng y. Okay? Ato, pareho kasi sila ng y eh. Diba? So, same sila ng y. So, ibig sabihin, tatama siya sa 4 dun sa y. Okay? So, yun ang palatandaan. So, kapag pareho ng y, dapat yung line natin tatama sa mismong 4 sa y-axis. Okay? Kaya siya naging horizontal line. Alright? So, that's for number 3. Right? And we are down to our last example this time. So, ang given sa atin is positive 10, negative 5, and negative 30, 40. Now, if ever na sa inyong graphing paper ay, sir, parang too much po yung 40. I understand. Baka hindi kayanin ng 40 if you're going to do the 1 by 1 accounting. That's understandable. Totoo naman. Pero, again, yung graphing paper is designed not only for the small numbers. Design din yan for the larger numbers. So therefore, kahit pa yan 1,000, 1 million, dapat kaya mo rin siyang i-graph. Kasi, dun papasok ang diskarte natin paano gagawin yung nasa Cartesian plane. Ayan. So as you can see, ang ginamit ko na counting or skip counting is by 10. Alright? So kasi na-observe ko dito, this is your diskarte. Diskarte mo to na-observe ko na parang lahat ay almost ay divisible sa 10 or divisible sa 10. So, ginamit ko na lang yung by 10 para mas madali. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, lahat dapat yan by 10. Don't forget that. Kapag gumamit ka ng 10, 20, 30, 40 sa isang side, make sure lahat yan gagamitan mo ng by 10 na skip counting. And the distances should be equidistant. Dapat pare-pareho ang layo nila sa isa't isa. Okay? So, gumamit ako ng by 10 kasi napansin ko na by 10 lahat. Ayan. And then, ayan. So, ginamit na natin yung by 10 na skip counting. Sir, possible po ba na mag by 5? Very good. Possible din na mag by 5. Bakit? Kasi nga, di ba, lahat naman to divisible sa 5. So, pwede kang mag by 5. Ang ano lang doon, mas dadami yung numbers dito. Magiging siyang 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on and so forth, up until 40. Okay? Now, so okay, let's graph itong ating problem. 10, negative 5. So, x muna. X is 10. Then, hanapin mo rin yung negative 5 sa y. Alright, paano to sir? Wala pa akong makitang negative 5. Okay, diskartehan natin. Diba? Alam natin that negative 5 is in between 0 and negative 10. Tama? Nasa gitna yan itong dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, dapat yung negative 5 ay somewhere sa gitna. Pero, syempre, don't focus muna sa negative 5. Sa 10 muna. X is 10. Ayan, dito. Tapos, negative 5 ay somewhere here. Ayan. So, dito ang ating point. Again, since negative 5 is somewhere in between, ayan. So, basta tignan mo lang yung pinakagitna ng dalawa. Ayan. Ato. So, that is 10, negative 5. Alright? Ayan. So, ganyan yung first point natin. So, kapag ginamit kasi natin yung skip counting by 10, of course, walang 5. So, hanapin mo lang dito sa gitna yung 5. Tansya-tansya na lang. Okay? Next, negative 30, 40. So, this is x, this is y. So, ito yung x na negative 30 kasi horizontal yan. Ito yung x. Then, 40, ito naman. Andito siya sa y, 40. So, tapat nitong dalawa, diretso tayo dyan hanggang dito. Okay? So, therefore, this is our next point. This is negative 30, 40. Okay? So, this is the first point. This is the second point. Then, connect mo lang yung dalawa. Tapos, ang ating usapan. So, let's connect using our straight edge or ruler if you have at home. Ayan. So, lagpas lang natin dun sa points. Tapos, don't forget to write arrowhead. Okay? And that is now the final answer. Again, if ever na-encounter ninyo na may mga matataas na numbers, so mag-skip counting ka na lang. By 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, whatever the number is requiring you to do. Okay? Diskarte mo na yan. Ayan. Okay, so let me go back to my PowerPoint presentation para sa ating YouMore drill. I'll give you the given para kayo ay makapagsagot. Alright, so let's have our YouMore drill. So, directions, graph the following using any 2 points. Ito, negative 7, 5 and negative 7, 0. Then for number 2, we have negative 3, negative 15 and 12, 9. Right, so before I give you the time, make sure muna that you have the following na materials kasi you can't graph without the following. Right? So, sana may graphing paper. If you don't have any, so sana merong graphing notebook. O kaya, kung wala namang graphing notebook, any notebook will do. Basta may susulatan. Next, kailangan meron kayong straight edge o kaya ruler para dun sa accuracy of our graph, sana maayos ang pagkakalay natin, dapat straight line. Alright? And, of course, if you can provide colored ball pen para at least hindi naman mahirap tignan yung graph. So, use colored ball pen if you have. Pero if you don't have, you can use black ball pen or even pencil, whatever it is that you have at home. Basta meron kayong writing material. Alright? Sige. I'll pause for a while now and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So if ever hindi ka patapos, you can pause this video before you proceed to before I show you the correct answer. Alright? So let me proceed now to my graphing paper para ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung graph nitong ating YouMore drill. Alright, so let's answer number 1 in our YouMore drill. Okay? So negative 7, 5 ang ating first point. Again, x muna followed by y. So, negative 7 is found on x-axis. Andito siya sa horizontal. Andito yung negative 7. And 5 is found sa y-axis. Andito siya. So, diretso mo lang yung dalawa. Ayan, diretso. Andito. Okay, so tapat ng negative 7, tapat ng 5, that is our first point. Anong kulang? Sir, kulang po ng label. Ayan, so negative 7, 5. So that is for our first point. Next, negative 7, 0. Ayan, so ito na-discuss ko na to eh. This is intercept. Kapag may partner na 0, you are going to find that sa mismong axis. Negative 7, andito siya. 0, andito siya. So, tapat ng negative 7 sa ka-0, andun mismo. Nandun mismo sa negative 7. Okay? So, yung technique dito, nakita mo na 0 yung partner niya. Hanapin mo na lang sa x yung negative 7. Andito siya. Kung nasaan yung negative 7 sa x, andun ang point mismo. Okay? So, ganun ang diskarte ng ating intercept. Alright? Pag nakita mong 0 ang partner niya, hanapin mo lang yung number. Yung negative 7. Ayan. So, may nakalimutan pa tayo. Of course, meron pa. Negative 7, 0. Don't forget to label the points. And then, after that, ayan. So, gagawin natin, i-connect mo lang yung dalawang points. And then, you have already the graph for this linear equation. Ayan. So, this is our answer for number 1. May napansin ba ulit kayo? Sir, exactly ito po ay vertical line. Very good. Straight na, patayo yung line natin. So, that's correct. Now, anong observation nyo naman doon sa ordered pairs? Sir, pareho po kasi yung x. Very good. So, pareho kasi silang x na negative 7. So, ang logic dyan, kapag nakita mong parehong negative 7 yung ordered pair, I mean yung x-coordinate niya, magiging vertical yung line kasi dapat dadaan siya dun sa x na negative 7. Okay? Ayan. So, that's the graph for our first YouMore drill. I hope nakuha niyo yan. For sure, nakuha niyo yan, of course. Alright, so let's answer naman yung YouMore drill number 2. So, we are given with negative 3, negative 15, tapos 12, 9. So, in this case, so, napansin ko kasi, ito diskarte na naman to ni Sir, na baka makatulong din sa inyo. Napansin ko na parang ano siya, parang by 3. Pwede kong gamitin yung by 3 instead na umabot ako ng 15. Ayan. So, ganun ang ginawa ko sa aking Cartesian plane. So, nag by 3 ako lahat. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Tapos, dapat lahat 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Alright? Maging negative, maging positive, dapat pare-pareho silang lahat na ganun ang skip counting na gagamitin. Okay? Now, sir, pwede po ba akong gamit ng by 1? Pwede naman. Kung kaya, actually kaya naman ng by 1 dito, ng 15. Mas accurate yan actually. Kasi if ever, di ka na magtatansya. Pero since since eksakto naman itong lahat na factors ng 3, so accurate din ang ating magiging graph dito. So, negative 3, negative 15. So, negative 3 muna sa x, eto siya. Negative 15 sa y, andito siya. Sorry, walang nakalagay. So, negative 15. So, negative 3, saka negative 15, andito yan. So, this is our first point. Negative 3, negative 15. Okay? So, wala lang nakalagay dito, pero ilagyan ko na din. Again, negative 3, 15, negative 3, tapat niya. Tapat ng negative 15. X muna, kaya andito yung negative 3. Tapos followed by y, kaya andito yung negative 15. And don't forget to label the points. Next is our second ordered pair, yung 12 saka yung 9. So yung 12 nasa x na naman yan. So andito siya. Tapos hanapin mo rin yung y na 9. So eto yung y, andito yung 9. Right? So diretso mo lang yung 12, diretso mo lang yung 9, andito yung tapat ng dalawa. Okay? So, this is 12, 9. Alright. So, that is our 2 points. Then, gamit tayo ng straight edge ulit or ng ruler if you have at home. Connect mo lang, extend the lines, and put arrowhead. Tapos, ang ating usapan. Okay? Diba? Napakadali. At yung pinakamadali sa lahat because you don't have to solve anything. Wala ka nang kailangan i-transform or i-solve na kahit na ano. Talagang ipa-plot mo lang siya tapos i-graph or i-extend mo lang yung lines, then okay na yan. Alright? So, this is the graph kapag ibinigay sa atin yung ganitong 2 points. Yung negative 3, negative 15, and 12, 9. Okay? So, I hope nakuha mo yung dalawa. And if you did, please mention that to our comment section para ma-congratulate kita. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you've learned a lot today, and I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned and enjoyed our lesson for today. And if you did, wag na wag kang aalis na hindi ka nakakapag-subscribe and nakakapag-click ng notification bell. And also, let me remind you again that you deserve more, you can learn more, and you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye! See you in our next video.